Guys, so far we were doing VLOOKUP with single criteria where we had the customer ID, and using that ID we were finding out the rest of the data, customer name and stuff. But in case we have two lookup values, which is called VLOOKUP with multiple criteria, then how to go about it? Like in this example, we have name of the student, exam given by the student, and their score in the subject maths. Now we want to put this data in this format, in this table, like how much math scored in unit test, how much math scored in midterm, and how much in final. So basically, to find out the score from this table, we need to check two things. First, the name should match. Second, the name of the exam should match. So how to go about it? In this case, we will use concatenate function and we will use a helper column. This is the best hack in Excel so far I have come across. So be careful while understanding it. We will insert a column here and we will name it helper column. What I'm going to do here is, then I'm going to join these two names together, the name of the student and the exam name. Concatenate function, I'm assuming everybody is aware of. It basically joins two text together, two values together. So this is the helper column we have. Now here when we write VLOOKUP formula, what is my lookup value? Concatenate. Similarly, I will join these two values here. Name of the student, which is G3, and H2. This is my lookup value. Math unit test. What is my lookup array? Now I will take this. Why so? Because my lookup value should be the first column in my table array, and this is the lookup value I have. So I can rule out name and exam column straightly. Column number 2, false, 91. So this is the score he is scored. So in case we drag it down, what happens? We are not getting the results. Why? Look at this formula. What happened? We look up concatenate G4, which is correct, and H3. So basically we want H2. So what will we do? We will fix H2 here. Okay, so this is one change. Another thing, now drag it down. It's working. What else can be done? In this formula, the range it is taking its C2 to D17. What is happening in the next one? C3. This is wrong. So we will always fix the range. Be careful with this thing. That's why I told in the first session that adding dollar is quite important to give the reference of the correct cell. Now check the marks. Bob unit test 52, 44, 78, 77. This way it's working fine. Now drag it on the right side. What else we need to fix? Look at the formula. Concatenate H. So basically we need to fix G. Again there is a issue. What is the issue? We are not supposed to fix H because in this case we need I. Now it's going to work perfectly. See, this is the final one. So when it comes to putting dollar, you need to be careful. You need to go to the cell and check and think what you need to fix. So put dollar, it's going to work perfectly. That's it.